Your competitors are ranking #1 on Google Maps while you're invisible. In 2025, 4 things separate businesses getting calls from those who are getting nothing. Every local search that doesn't find you is money in your competitor's pocket. And 88% of people who see a business on Google Maps either call or visit that same day. But here's what nobody tells you. There's a hidden menu inside your Google business profile that 99% of businesses have never touched. And when you know how to use it, Google treats your keywords completely differently. I'll also show you the review trick that gets you testimonials without begging, and the local name change that boosts rankings without risking suspension. After helping hundreds of local businesses dominate their markets, these are the only factors that actually move the needle. But first, grab my local SEO checklist below. It covers these 4 factors plus 20 others. Alright, so the first thing, and this might surprise you, Google still weighs exact match keywords in your business name as one of the top ranking signals. Now, before you go and just stuff keywords into your Google business profile, let me tell you the right way and the wrong way to do this. The wrong way is just changing your profile to Matt's Emergency Plumbing, Hamilton, Ontario, Best Plumber. Google will suspend you faster than you could say the word keyword stuffing. The right way of doing this is you need to file a DBA. That's doing business as, or register a legal trade name. So if your business is called Matt's Plumbing, you can legally register Matt's Plumbing Hamilton as a DBA. Now it's your actual legal business name and you can use it on your Google profile without any risk. Here's what I mean. Instead of just Roofing Pros Miami, you'd register Emergency Roof Repair Miami as a DBA. See the difference? You're targeting the exact terms people are typing in. Now, if you want to get even more aggressive, you can create a secondary service profile for non-core keywords. But be careful here, you don't want to create multiple profiles for the same location unless they're genuinely different services with different addresses. The key is making sure whatever name you choose is actually legal and matches your business registration. And this isn't some gray hat trick, this is just smart business naming. Alright, on to ranking factor number 2. I'm about to show you something that 99% of business owners have never even seen. There's literally a hidden menu in your Google business profile that lets you add keyword-rich descriptions to your services. And Google reads these as major ranking signals. Here's exactly how to access it. Step 1, go to your Google business profile and click Edit Services. Step 2, click Add More Services and add whatever service you want to rank for. Let's say you're a plumber. Add emergency drain cleaning or whatever main keyword your service is. This adds a service to your profile. Step 3, here's the secret menu part. Go back into your services and click on the service that you just added. Step 4, you'll see this box pop up that most people never notice. And add in a description of your service, but here's the key. Make sure that you use the exact keyword you want to rank for and the city or town that you're in. You only get 300 characters though, so use them wisely. Here's an example. Emergency drain cleaning services in downtown Hamilton. We clear blocked drains, sewer lines, and kitchen sinks 24/7. Licensed plumbers servicing Hamilton, Ancaster, Burlington. Same day service guaranteed. See what I did there? I mentioned the service multiple times, included the main city and surrounding areas, and added some credibility signals. Most businesses just add services without descriptions, or they write generic stuff like, "We do plumbing." That's actually leaving money on the table because Google is literally asking you what your business does and where you do it. Ranking factor number 3, review velocity and sentiment. The third ranking factor, and this is huge, fresh reviews are now worth about 3 times more than older ones. But here's what most people miss. Keyword mentions inside of those reviews boost your relevance for those specific terms. So here's the system that I use with our clients and it works every single time. Step number 1, the second you finish a job or a service, you hand them a QR card or send them a link. Not next week, not when you remember, right then and there. The QR code links directly to your Google review page. Step 2, and this is the key part, you can kind of guide them on what to say and what to mention. You say something like, hey, if you could mention drain cleaning or downtown Toronto in your review, that would really help other people find us for the same services in your area. You can't force them to say specific things, but you can kind of give them some hints. Step 3, follow up with a text or SMS link within 24 hours. But don't spam them. One follow-up should work. So here's an example of what a good review looks like. John's Plumbing fixed my sewer line in Midtown in under an hour. Really impressed with their drain cleaning services downtown. We'll definitely call them again. See how that review mentions the service, which is drain cleaning or sewer line, and the location, Midtown or downtown. That's not manipulation. That's just helping your customers write helpful reviews that actually describes what you did and where you did it. And here's a pro tip. If you get a bad review, respond to it publicly. Google actually looks at your response rate and how quickly you respond as ranking factors. And don't get defensive, just acknowledge the issue and explain how you fixed it. And maybe take that feedback in internally and use it to fix your processes. Ranking factor number 4, hyper-local landing pages. The fourth ranking factor, and this is where most businesses completely drop the ball, you need hyper-local landing pages. That means every service and neighborhood needs their own dedicated page on your website. So let's say you're a plumber in Austin, Texas, and you serve 3 neighborhoods. You don't just have one plumbing services page. You have emergency plumbing repair in East Austin, emergency plumbing repair in South Austin, emergency plumbing repair in West Austin. Now, I don't know Austin all that well, so if it's different neighborhoods, just change those out with the actual neighborhoods. Each page needs a couple things: a heading 1 tag, like emergency HVAC repair in East Austin, body content that mentions local landmarks, includes customer stories from that area, and an embedded map, schema markup, like the local business schema markup, the service, and or geo coordinates. And you can tie it all together by embedding recent location-specific reviews on each of those pages. So on your East Austin page, you feature reviews that mention East Austin specifically. I know you're probably thinking, that's a lot of pages to create. Yeah, it is. But guess what? Your competitors aren't doing it, which means it's an easy win for you. You can use ChatGPT to help you with the content creation. I've got a whole process on how to do this that I cover in my content writing course, but basically you can knock out 10 location pages pretty quickly if you follow the steps. The link to that is in the description. It's absolutely free. The key is making each page genuinely unique. Don't just swap out neighborhood names and call it a day. Talk about actual landmarks, mention local businesses, and include photos from jobs that you did in that area. Bonus tip, multi-location mastery. All right, so here's a bonus tip for those of you with multiple locations. This is where it gets tricky, but I'll make it simple. If you've got multiple locations, you can rotate your QR code review request so that each profile gets fresh, keyword-rich reviews. Don't just focus on your main location. Google notices if one profile is getting way more attention than the others. Here's the thing, most businesses will watch this video, think, that's interesting, and do absolutely nothing. But the ones who implement these 4 strategies in the next 30 days will be the ones dominating Google Maps, while everyone else is still confused about why they're not getting calls. And that local SEO checklist that I mentioned earlier is the exact step-by-step process I use with my agency clients. Grab it for free in the description. And if you want more strategies like this in your feed, hit subscribe. And you can also check out this other video called SEO Mistakes That Are Killing Your Small Business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.